I'm so happy to see you today. Let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Awesome job! Today, let's sing our Days of the Week song. And I think we will shake our bodies along. Days of the week, boo. Days of the week, boo. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, boo. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Now we'll do our months dance. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December, 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Okay, time to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and today is 22. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd. Good job, friends. Thanks for counting along. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play. Bye, friends. See you tomorrow.